By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to design your fruit face project using the Photopea online application and manipulate multiple images and layers. Let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to go to the website, the Photopea website. We will click and write www.photopea.com. Once you start the application, the online application, you will find that you will be able to create a new project or to open a saved project from computer, or you can use one of the Photoshop documents templates. Let's click on a new project tab. I will find the interface over here. I can specify the information. I want to rename my project with fruit face, and I will change the width and height to 1280, and the same thing for the height. I'm gonna make it 800. I can change the background. I can make it white, black, transparent if I don't want any background behind my images. I'll keep the white one, and then we can click on create. Now, before we clicking on create, I want you to see that you can select from many templates below. You can, if you are designing this project for the social media, you can find here a lot of templates. You can pick like YouTube cover, YouTube profile, Twitter header, profile. Like if you are designing something for your Instagram account or your Facebook, it's up to you. You can pick from the templates. If you decide to print this template, then you can change the specification if you want to print it on an A4 or A3 paper. If you are deciding to make it for photos, screens, mobile, so you have a lot of templates down, so you can pick whatever you want. In my case, I just put the value of the width and height, and I'm gonna start now creating my project. If you notice, once I click on creating, I found that we have a background, and this background is locked, like you cannot apply any changes before you unlock it. I'm gonna keep it this way. I will go to the internet to search for a background for my project. So let's say background images. Let's go to images, and let's pick one of the backgrounds to my project. I'll take this one. And when you select a picture, make sure that it has a good resolution. To save this image, I will right-click, save image as, and I can create a new folder, and I will call this folder fruit face project. So I can save all images that I need inside. Let me change the name of this to background image. I'll go to the Photopea application, and I want to open the background image there. So we have to go to File, Open, and then we will go to Fruit Face Project. Let me select the background and then open it. Once you open this background image, you will notice that the system created another document. So we have the fruit face one and the background image one. I want to copy paste this background image to my fruit face project. So to copy any image, you have to select it. I want to select the whole image, then I have to do Command A if you are on a MacBook system or Control A if you are on Windows system. So I will make Ctrl A to select the entire image, and to copy it we will make Ctrl C or Command C to copy, and then I want to paste this image in this document. So we have to do Ctrl V or Command V to paste. Once you pasted the image, you will notice that the system created by default another layer, and this layer for this image. So every time you add an image, the system will create a layer related to this image. I will rename this layer. I'm going to call it background, and I'll say background 2 because we have here the background, the original background, and this is the new background, so we can differentiate between them. Background 2, and now I want to resize or rescale it so it can cover the whole background, the whole white background. To do this, now by default the system still selected the image, but let's say that I want to perform this action. I have to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. Now I will start resizing to cover, to make the background covers my image, my background. So once I'm done with any changes, you will find there a check tab. You have to click on it to confirm the changes, or you can click cancel so you can redo and go back to the previous action, so you don't have to apply the changes. So let's say check, I satisfy the changes and I like this one. This way we added the background. Now the other image is going to be about, I want to design the fruit face. So I want the face to look like, I want to use, the apple or watermelon to design the face. So I'll go to the internet and let's go and search for apple images, and I can take, I like this one. I think this one with a good resolution. Or let's go to good resolution means like the picture, the number of pixels and the picture is a lot. So you will see the picture is very clear. Okay, so let's say I'll take this one. I want to save it. We will redo the same steps we did with background. Right click, save image as, and it will be saved by default inside the fruit face project. I'm gonna call this face and apple. Then I will go to the Photopea program. I'll go to File, Open. We will find the face apple, click on it and open it. I think I'm done with background image, so I can close it. And let's work on the apple one. I want to copy, I want to select this apple and place it there. Now, before selecting this apple, I need to get rid with this background. I already have background here. I don't want the white background. To do so, you have to go to we have different kind of selection tools. I'll go to the third tool, 1, 2, 3, it's the third one, and click right click. You will find something called Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool is a tool I can use to select all area with the same color at the same time. So I will click on the Magic Wand and I will go to this area. If you notice, it will select. I'm going to click on the white area and the system will select all area with the same color, which is the white color. And after that, we are going to click on backspace to or delete on your keyboard to delete it. Now we still have some area here we don't need. I can click on it. To remove all unneeded area. Now, I will copy paste this apple to the fruit face document. To select all, we will do Command A or Control A, and then copy it, Command C or Control C, and then we will go to the fruit face, Command V to paste. The system created another layer for the apple. I can call this one face apple. Now I want to resize this apple to make sure that I am selecting the right object or the right image. Make sure that you are on the layer of that image. So I am on the face or the apple image, and then we will go to edit, free transform, and then scale. You will notice that the system selected the image, and then I can resize it, drag it, take it down. And if you want to rotate, while you're selecting this, you can rotate it easily by going to transform, rotate. Look at the cursor of the mouse. I can rotate it to the left or the right, or you can design it, whatever you prefer. And once you're done with all changes, as we mentioned before, you will click on confirm to confirm any changes.